Well, Cleveland Clinic is continuing its mission to help patients use food as medicine. Second Harvest Food Bank in Lorain is helping make that mission possible.
The collaborative effort, which started in April, has helped more than 100 patients access food when leaving the hospital. News 5's Bryn Caswell joins us live in Avon to tell us how the program works and how dignity remains one of the highest priorities. Good morning, Bryn.
Good morning. When people show up to the emergency room or a doctor's appointment, they can be at their most vulnerable, dealing with a serious diagnosis or medical condition. Well, Cleveland Clinic's partnership with Second Harvest Food Bank is giving patients one less thing they have to think about while facing adversity.
1 in 7 people in Lorain County suffer from food insecurity, which is up 54% since the pandemic. Dr. Rebecca Stark saw the struggle playing out in real time with her patients.
I was taking care of a pregnant patient who was diagnosed with diabetes in pregnancy and expressed, when I asked her why she wasn't checking her blood sugars and following recommendations, she basically said, I met with a nutritionist and I feel like why would I bother, because I can't afford the food that she's recommending.
In that moment, Stark decided it was time to bring healthy food products directly to the patients. In partnership with Second Harvest Food Bank, Cleveland Clinic's Avon campus opened their in-hospital food pantry, distributing 750 pounds of food every month and a half since April.
We can't just give patients medications once they arrive at the hospital and fix all these problems. That's really at the end of their disease condition. So we want to provide these wraparound services so that when they leave the hospital, they don't have to come back.
Samantha Flores with Second Harvest Food Bank believes it's partnerships with medical institutions just like this that will help bring statistics down.
58% have to choose between healthcare or medicine and paying for food. So it really is about keeping the neighbor at the center of all that we do. And meeting people where they are.
Our fruits and our vegetables.
The pantry's mission isn't only to feed, but to preserve dignity. The entire process is done discreetly after doctors identify an individual as food insecure.
They're so very grateful. I think, again, the big part of that is that confidentiality, no questions asked, so they're not embarrassed. They know they say, here, I was told to give you this envelope. And we right away then we'll get them a bag and just wish them well.
Guest Services Supervisor Terry Meadows understands because she too was once in those same shoes after her husband fell ill.
Having 2 small children at the time and just my income was a little bit of a struggle. So once I asked for that help and I realized that there was more help out there to offer to me, made the difference.
The Avon Hospital Pantry is also opened up to serving outpatients at the Richard E. Jacobs outpatient facility, not just the emergency department patients. And Second Harvest Food Bank tells me they would like to expand this pantry, eventually bringing in a freezer to give patients fresh produce and meats. Cleveland Clinic tells me since this program started, they have served 112 patients. And Tiffany, Mike, it's important to note that if you are a patient at Cleveland Clinic main campus, downtown Cleveland, or at the Akron campuses, they also have pantries there.
It's so nice to see these safety nets extended for people in our community that need it. Bryn, thank you.